How to report a billing issue for a Hilton stay. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Hilton's Help Center. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here, scroll down and go to Report Billing and then click on Billing Issue Form. After you click on Billing Issue Form, it will open a form for you. Add your full name, Hilton owners, it's optional, your phone number. After you've added your phone number, add your email. After you've added your email, select your country or region, then add your address and your zip code and press on Stay Information. After you've clicked on Stay Information, it will lead you to this page. Add hotel name where you stayed. Select the one and then add confirmation number, it's optional. Then check-in date and press on Provide Feedback at the bottom. Then you can file your issue in here. You can simply type in you're having a problem in your billing issue and all this and press on Send Feedback. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to report a billing issue for a Hilton stay. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.